Are you in a committed relationship or will be? Let's talk. That word commitment is often misunderstood and assumed to be other things. So today I'm going to talk about two things. One is what commitment really means in terms of a healthy relationship. And then I'm going to go deeper yet about what staying truly entails. I'm Dr. Elena Sherwood, your relationship expert. I was a couples therapist for 35 years, been married 30 myself. See, when it comes to relationships, commitment is really an all-encompassing endeavor. It's not just staying exclusive, obviously, but it's also making a concerted decision to not take opportunities to leave. And I don't just mean, obviously, other people and other relationships there that would be very painful to your partner. But I'm also talking about closing off the exits that are tempting. If you have a hard time hanging out in bars because you are just so incredibly attractive and people just kind of keep you whatever, and you find a lot of people really, really hot, stay away from bars. Find other ways to have social environments. Go when it's not quite the singles hour. Whatever it is, you now make a decision to turn your life towards this exclusivity of wholeness with your relationship. Now, the second part is harder. So pay close attention to this one because I'm going to do my best to give you what I know you need. When we're talking about staying is about staying in the difficult moments. That might mean that your partner is trying to reach you and you don't pull away. You don't change the subject. You don't distract with something else that is not relevant. You don't think of excuses why it's not a good time right now to talk about this. Staying is about being in those hard moments when you least want to. Staying means actively pulling your partner in to say, I need for us to talk. And maybe I need is not your verbiage, but maybe it's more like, let's connect for a moment. Staying is about action when you need to take action and inaction through receiving.